Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Jayapataka Swami
Following is a Parikrama lecture given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on March 23, 1981 in Rajapur, Simantadvipa, India.
Pasagami, Nayana Pasagami, Bhavatumi. Jagannath Swami, Nayana Pasagami, Nayana Pasagami, Bhavatumi. Jagannath Swami, Nayana Pasagami, Nayana Pasagami, Bhavatumi. Jagannath Swami, Nayana Pasagami, Nayana Pasagami, Bhavatumi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Jaya Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath, Jai Subhadra, Jai Baladev, Jai Baladev. Jagannath, Jai Subhadra, Jai Baladev. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Hare. There's a temple 500 years old. The building may not be 500 years old, but the deities were self-manifested to a devotee during the presence of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on this planet. And actually described in the Navadip Mahatyam by Bhakti Vinod Thakur that this part of Navadip Dham is not different from the Jagannath Puri Dham, where Jagannath is always residing. Jagannath Dev ki, Jagannath Subhadra Balaram ki. That many thousands of years ago, when a demon came by the name of Rakta Bahu, and he liked to tear the arms of Brahmanas and suck their blood out of their body. And he was always bloody, so he was also called bloody armed, or Rakta Bahu. So he was, to say the least, a man-eater, cannibal, Rakush, demon. So the pujaris, to protect Lord Jagannath, they took him from Jagannath Puri and brought him here to Navadvip Dham to hide from the demon. Actually, it was a trick by Lord Jagannath to visit Navadvip Dham. See, Navadvip Dham ki. You see, just like Lord Nrsimhadev, when he passed over here, he stopped. Lord Balaram visited nearby here, just over there, behind Nitai Gaur Diri. There's a field called the Mayavara Mat. When Lord Balaram was visiting all the holy places, during Krishna Leela, he visited Navadvip and killed the Maya demon. So that field is still known as Mayavara Mat, or the field where Balaram has killed the Maya demon. Like that, all the different incarnations, they all visit holy places when they come, especially Vrindavan, Navadvip, Mathura, and Gaurmandala Bhumi. These transcendental dhams are extension from the spiritual world. And in the time you'll find representatives of all the holy places. Here you'll find Jagannath Puri, you'll find Banaras, Kashi, you'll find Hardwar, you'll find all the holy places have their place here also. So this Jagannath deity was given to ISKCON to worship several years ago. And actually Srila Prabhupada predicted to Srila Rameshwar Swami that in the future ISKCON will have to maintain all of the temples in the Holy Dham. Possibly that responsibility will be ours, that if any temple is unmanageable, if they can't manage it and they request us, and it's some ancient, significant temple, that ISKCON will take up that responsibility to preserve the ancient roots and the ancient places which are connected with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srila Prabhupada ki. Therefore, you preachers from all over the world, coming back to your original home here in the Holy Dham to render service to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can know that this place that you're seated right now is a special favorite place to Srimati Radharani. Because here, Mother Parvati worshipped Lord Chaitanya, and she got the darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and having the darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, she took the dust from Lord Chaitanya's lotus feet and put it on her forehead. Where the women wear the red mark for marriage, she put the dust right at that place which is known as the Simanta. So this island of Navadvip, we have crossed over into a new island. This is the island of Simantadvipa, or where Parvati worshipped Gauranga, and Gauranga, she prayed to Gauranga that you're giving mercy to the whole world, everyone, but you're preaching to everyone to stay away from Maya. So I don't get association with any of your devotees. So you're delivering everybody but me, Maya Devi. So when I get delivered, what is my hope? So then Lord Chaitanya said that you are the extension of Radharani. You are the shadow of Yoga Maya. And so he blessed her, she could realize there's oneness and difference. So normally we realize the difference, but then that moment by Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, she could realize the oneness between herself and Radharani and experience pure Krishna prema of the highest order. So here it is said that while worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one can get the special mercy of Srimati Radharani. So I'd like to request Srila Harikeshwar Swami Maharaj, Vishnupad, while we're bringing the prasad, to just speak for a few seconds.
Times like this that after walking in the hot sun. There's so much dust. And we are waiting to take prasad. That a philosophical class is probably the last thing one wants to hear. And I didn't want to do it. But I was forced by Jayapataka. He is very transcendental. I think we should just have a soft kirtan. And somebody should go over there and tell them to get prasad quick. Hori Ho Rai Namo Krishna Yadavaya Namo Hori. Hori Namo Krishna Yadavaya